Hey guys, Tile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan tea. Tibetan tea, two different style I'm going to show you how to make, and one is black tea and one is butter tea. So how to make I'm going to show you at your home. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's get started how to make. Guys, so these are ingredients we need in Tibetan tea. Ingredient is very simple, you will find very easily. And main ingredient is you will need this Tibetan tea bread. And this is you will find in Tibetan area, you will get very easily. And second, we need milk. And third, we need some salt and some butter. And of course, we need water. That's it. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you two different styles. So one is butter tea and one is black tea, or you can call green tea also. So for this ingredient, we need tea bag and salt. That's it. It's very simple. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to make black tea. Now how much you're going to make is depend on you. So here I'm gonna make 2 cups. So here I add totally 2 cup water. Now it's time to add tea bag. So add the tea bag and let them boil properly until not become color. So you have to boil. It will take only 5 minutes. So don't add too much tea bag. So if you add too much tea bag, so your tea will not tasty. Now I'm gonna add 2 pinch of salt. Don't add too much salt, just a little bit. Can you see it's already changed the color? Now this is ready, jadang is ready. Now turn on the heat. Now I'm gonna put in tea pot. Okay, now as black tea is ready. Now add the water. I'm gonna use same pot. So here I totally add 3 cup water, and next I'm gonna add tea bag. Add the tea bag and boil properly until not become the change the color. You have to boil properly. It will take only 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the ingredient. First we have to add, I'm gonna add 1 cup milk, and 1 cube butter. So some people adding too much butter, but I don't like too much butter. And next we need half teaspoon salt. The salt is according to taste you can add. Can you see my already tea color is changed? This color we need, like this much, not too much black, not too much light. So this is the perfect we need. If too much black color, then your tea is become black color. So we don't need too much dark color. Now turn off the heat, and now I'm gonna put in directly here. We already add all ingredients. Now cover, and we're gonna blanch this. Now it's time to ready to drink. Our butter tea is ready. So when you drink the butter tea, always drink hot. Do not drink the cold. If you drink the cold, it will be not tasty. And if you left the butter tea, always heat and one time mix it and you can enjoy. And same taste will come. Alright guys, I hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you have never tried Tibetan tea before, you should be try. You will love it. And for more video guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye.